Hey, I know we all want to look our best. This is Angela, and today's show is called Upper West Side Carboxytherapy Treatment 212-799-1411. Unlock radiant skin without surgery. And trust me, it's juicier than a ripe pineapple. You know that moment when you look in the mirror and your reflection seems more tired than you feel? We've all been there. That's exactly why we need to talk about something that's revolutionizing the beauty game, and it doesn't involve going under the knife. Let's get real about why traditional anti-aging treatments often leave us feeling underwhelmed and overcharged. You shell out thousands for treatments that barely last a season, spend weeks hiding from the world during recovery, and sometimes end up looking like you're permanently surprised. Not exactly what we signed up for, right? But here's where it gets exciting. Carboxytherapy is like sending your skin to boot camp, but in the most gentle way possible. Picture this: we're using carbon dioxide, yes, the stuff you exhale, to trick your body into thinking it needs to send reinforcements to your skin. Your body responds by pumping oxygen-rich blood to the area, stimulating collagen production like nobody's business. It's basically like telling your skin, hey, wake up and do your job. And speaking of jobs, this treatment is working overtime. Not only does it rejuvenate your face, but it's also tackling those stubborn dark circles that make you look like you haven't slept since 1999. Your skin becomes more elastic, firmer, and here's the kicker: it works pretty much anywhere on your body. Those chicken skin bumps on your arms? Gone. That crepey texture on your neck? History. Let me tell you about Sarah, because her story is just too good not to share. She's this powerhouse executive on the Upper West Side who was skeptical about everything beauty related. Last month, she finally gave in and tried carboxytherapy at our clinic. Called us at 212-799-1411, came in during her lunch breaks, and after just 3 sessions, her whole office was buzzing. Her colleagues thought she'd gone on some secret spa vacation because her skin looked 5 years younger. The best part? No downtime, no recovery, just results. Here's the thing about aging gracefully. It's not about fighting nature, it's about working with it. Carboxytherapy does exactly that. It's like having a conversation with your skin instead of shouting at it with aggressive treatments. And trust me, when you treat your skin right, it talks back in the most beautiful way. So here's what I want you to do. Stop wondering if you could look better and find out for sure. Schedule a consultation at our Upper West Side location. Remember, the best time to start taking care of your skin was yesterday. The second best time is now. And let's be honest, your skin has been waiting for this moment. This has been Angela on behalf of PrecisionAestheticsMD.com. Until next time, have a wonderful day, and remember, if you find yourself with unwanted wrinkles, let's see what we can do to help. Later.